Hi, third graders. This is the third part of our three-part drill for our phonics. Let's review. The first was the visual, right? That's actually using the letter cards, the sound cards. What do you see? So the visual. Yesterday we worked on the auditory drill, which is using your sound, your listening skills. Okay, so auditory, and that's when we used our whiteboard and you wrote down the sounds that you heard. Okay, today, the third part of our three-part drill is using the blending board. So it's blending sounds together, okay? I'm going to demonstrate and we're going to work together. Now, sometimes we come across a word and it doesn't make sense, right? It's not a real word. I call those nonsense words. So sometimes they'll be actual words. Sometimes they'll be nonsense words, okay? And the idea is that you can blend the sounds together. All right. It doesn't matter if it's a real word or a nonsense word. Your job is to blend together. All right. So what we'll do is we'll point, and I will also talk you through a few of them. All right. So here's how we would do it together. Okay. I would point and I would say, ready, read. G, a, p, gap. Okay. Let's change it. Let's try this. Ready, read. K, a, p, cap. I'm going to put this one back. Let's try this. Ready? Read. G, a, t, gat. Now that's a nonsense word, but I should still be able to read it because I know the sounds. G, a, t, gat. All right. Let's try this one. We're starting with some easier ones. K, a, t, cat. K, a, d, cad. Okay. Now I want you to look at the sounds and you're going to read them. So ready? Read. I hope you said ch, a, d, chad. Ready? Read. This is a nonsense word. Sh, a, d, shad. Let's try this one. Ready? Read. Sh, a, ul, shall. That's a real word. Ready? Read. Bul, a, ul, blow. That's not a word I've ever used before. Okay. Let's change a few of these. Let's try this one. Ready? Read. I hope you said bull, bluff. Okay, this is that consonant LE ending, right? You can see the dash in front, so you know there are more letters in front of it. Okay, this is comes at the end of a word. So let's try this. Ready? Read. Bull, tul, bluttle. Ready? Read. Dr, tul, druttle. Ready? Read. Dr, and, drund. Ready? Read. Dr, and, drand. Again, nonsense word. See if I can find one more. Ready? Read. St, and, stand. Okay, now you have reviewed all 3 parts of our 3-part drill. The visual, looking at the letter cards, the sound cards, right? We did that on Tuesday. On Wednesday, we did the auditory drill, so listening and writing the sounds that you hear. Now today, we are doing our blending drill. So using the blending board, right, and blending the sounds together. All right, great job, third graders.